It's been a long time, my friend. Yes. So 4 years ago, I wrote my first ever blog that was 7 wonders in one dress, where I styled one dress in 7 ways. And I was like, why not recreate the whole thing again? Because right now I'm a vlogger, I'm a YouTube vlogger, not a blogger anymore. And I hope you like this video. The looks are somewhere different because 4 साल में fashion बदल जाता है यार. So now I experimented a lot with the look. So I hope you like this video. Let's get started. And hey, wait, hit the subscribe button right now. Be a part of my family. If you're watching this face for the first time, then welcome. My name is Kashika Chauhan. I make some amazing videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, market tours, beauty reviews and whatnot. And if you're not a part of my family, then it's bad. It's bad. Hit the subscribe button right now and let's get started. So let's get started. Look number one is you can just wear it simply as a simple dress, but this is kind of boring, so I'll be adding more elements. A nice black broad belt really justifies the waistline beautifully, adding some hoops for some accessories, a nice black clutch in my hand, a pair of black sexy heels, and my look is ready. It just transforms the simple dress into a nice party look. It looks sexy, pretty and beautiful. Also, this dress is from Zara. It's a really old purchase of mine. I still fit in it, which is like yay. Now coming to the comfy zone, now transforming this dress into a top. Girl, if you don't have a nice high waist basic blue denim, then you are missing out something. It just saves you from anything. You can wear it anytime. Again, pairing it up with a nice belt. These kind of belts are really in nowadays. If you have not seen my AliExpress haul, then you just missed a great deal. I ordered this at a really great deal on a discount. You can watch that haul again. Again, adding block heels just for a little bit height. It looks pretty. It's like a perfect date kind of afternoon look. And what say? Comment down below which look you like the most. Now coming to a basic pencil skirt look. If you don't have pencil skirt, then you are missing out something. Again, it's like a must have in every girl's wardrobe. I still remember I got this one during the Forever 21 flash sale. It only costed me for ₹180 something, which is like super cheap and super amazing quality. So you can see if your office don't have a formal kind of environment, you can just wear it informally. It looks pretty as an office look. Next look is my let's go shopping look, because whenever I go for shopping, I always consider these kind of loose, easy breezy kind of culottes. I got these ones from Big C. It's a showroom in Sarojini Nagar. These are really comfortable. It looks pretty. And again, adding a pair of boho jhumkas, and my boho look is ready. It looks amazing. Boho. Adding a pair of slippers, and you can wear it in your college as well, because you have classes from morning to evening, and it is comfortable and it's wearable. Now denim jacket. Now the trend of denim jacket is like really viral. People are wearing it in summers as well, but I just consider it for cold kind of weather. So for monsoon kind of weather, you can just wear a denim jacket over it. Nice pair of Nike shoes or your basic sneakers. You can also wear it with basic blue bellies like I'm wearing on the right picture. Again, adding some more quirky elements. A nice blue cap just justifies the whole tomboy look. It balances the blue color palette, and yeah, it looks comfy. It's like a picnic kind of day look. And do you like it or not? Comment down below. Next look is like viral look, because you know these culottes are like really viral. Culottes plazo, I don't know what to call it, but these are really viral. These are really in trend nowadays. Available on Shein, local markets, in the malls, and these are good for formal kind of environment. If you want to wear something daily in your office, which is like comfy, you can sit all day in these culottes. These are comfy and they go with everything, I guess. Next purchase. Now this skirt is like my favorite. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you are missing out something. I paired it up with a bralette kind of thing recently, but again, you can pair it up with any top. It goes beautifully with this top as well, because this skirt is completely plain and the top is kind of flowery and full, so it just balances the color palette. Again, you can wear it with a bag. I'm wearing the bag in 2 ways, either as a sling or as a fanny bag. Now the last look, like we are Indian, हम भारतीय हैं, तो एक without any Indian look, any lookbook is incomplete. So again, it's nice. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. It's like my first ever styling video on YouTube. I hope you like it. Comment down below कौन सी look सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. Any other query that you have, any other further request that you have, like मुझे और styling videos बनानी चाहिए या फिर नहीं. Just comment down below. Be a part of my family. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share it with your best friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my social media handles are in the description box, so please check the description box. Till then, bye bye.